Weche manyien mag migago kama riwruog Lakteche mar KNUPT kwayo sirikal mondo kadhi ma onge lokruok moro amora paro mar chik mar yedhe mar KDA mano Kenya Drug Authority Bill ma igeno ni biro timne somo mar ariyo e od bura chieng' tich adek. Jagoro maduong' mar riwruogno Elias Mutuma olero ni giriwo lwedo lipot mar komiti mar thieth mane ochiw juma mokalo, to kata kamano pod gin kod ng'ur ewi paro mar riwruok jous yedhe mano Pharmaceutical Society of Kenya. Giwacho ni parono mar pek kata mar PSK en mar nyisogi achaya kendo neno ni mana kaka jolwedo gino ma biro ketho tij kachiel kod ber mar weche thieth.
They don't want us to appear in KDA bill. They don't want us to be recognized. We understand because there are no jobs in Kenya. They are trying to find jobs for themselves, but they are finding it in the wrong way. You don't relegate somebody else so that you can elevate yourself. That's a very wrong way of doing things.
Today we have 40,000 chemists against the 5,000 pharmacists and the 12,000 pharmaceutical technologists. So, please MPs, I know you want to legislate on regulation. That time will come. This KDA bill should sail through the way it is, so that we save our Kenyans, so that we support our president on universal health care, because that's what we want to say.
We 100% support the KDA bill as presented by the Health Committee, led by Honorable Dr. Pokose. And the reason that we are supporting this bill is, one, this bill is coming on to repeal 1 Cap 244, which has been anchoring our presence, which has been anchoring our profession, our practice. So that's one thing, that's one of the first and the foremost reason that we support it.